How to increase back loop method. In this video, we'll show you how to add a stitch to your row using the back loop method. This creates a left-leaning increase. Start by making a loop with your working yarn. The tail end leading to the ball should lay on top. Insert the right-hand needle through the loop from front to back. Then tighten the loop on the needle by pulling the working yarn. You've now created a new stitch. We'll knit a stitch, then show you how to increase again. Make a loop with the working yarn, tail end lying on top. Insert the right needle through the loop from front to back. Tighten the loop on the needle. You have created a new stitch. Top tip: you can use this method mid-row or even at the end of your row to cast on additional stitches.